Now that you're set up with a My Disney Experience account, we need to link your tickets. If you've missed how to set up your account, watch the first video in this series. Let's get started. Under the My Disney Experience tab, select My Plans. Here, you can link your account to the other members of your group, your Disney hotel reservation if you have one, and of course, your Disney park tickets. Now you simply need to click Link Tickets underneath the Park Tickets icon. To do this, you will need your unique Disney confirmation ID. This will be in your attractiontickets.com customer account, which can be found in the top right-hand corner of our website. Simply enter this number and all of the tickets associated with your booking will appear. Enter the ID number for all of your tickets and click Next. Now you need to match each ticket to the guest travelling. Make sure to double check that you're linking the right ticket to the right guest. Congratulations, your tickets are linked. Just confirm everything is correct and you're ready to go. Watch the next video to find out how to make your Disney Park Pass reservations.